Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you, and welcome to explainer number 5 in this showcase series where we're continuing to work on our 3D gallery. In this explainer I'll start adding additional 3D assets to the gallery. CG Trader is a very popular site for sharing and downloading 3D assets. I found these free models of the Eiffel Tower and I'm going to choose one of them to download. It's also worth checking out Sketchfab and TurboSquid for free or cheap models. I've opened the current scene as saved at the end of the previous explainer. As with images and videos, the import process is very easy. I can just drag and drop the file into an appropriate folder like this, and I can literally just drag it into the scene. Use the Move, Rotate and Scale tools to place the object exactly where you want it. If your model doesn't include its own materials or textures, it's going to look this kind of light grey colour. You can create yourself a very simple material directly inside Unity. Right-click in a folder, Create, Material. Set the albedo colour, how metallic you'd like the material to look, and how smooth you'd like it to be. Give the material an appropriate name, then simply drag and drop it onto the object. That's immediately looking somewhat better. Again, be aware working with textures and materials is a topic in its own right. For links to useful resources, see the website. I'll continue to add 3D objects to my displays. In the next explainer, we'll add sound to our gallery experience.
Pixels.cool.